All right, I'm just getting everything set up as far as the lights and the scene goes. And so, well, I'm not even in my quarantine clothes. Oh. There we go. Get down. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jordan Fremgen and I'm a graphic designer, photographer, and digital artist. And today I am super pumped to make today's video because you guys requested it. And that just makes me so pumped because it makes me feel like we got a little fam going, you know what I'm saying? We got a little conversation. So let's continue that conversation. If any ideas come to mind, make sure you drop it in a comment box below. But let's just get with the content of today's video. About a week ago, I posted this picture here on Instagram and you guys just blew it up with love and support, and I just can't thank you enough for it. And a lot of you guys wanted to know how I did it. You wanted to see the behind the scenes on what it took to make this shot, and that's what this video is all about. So let's just go back in time, and so make sure you hit that like button if you thought this video was cool, and let's just get right into it. All right, so this is my setup for the floating shot. I've got a Canon EOS R here with the 15-35 lens zoomed all the way out, and so I've also got this Genere LED light, super budget setup, but I got this LED light acting like my TV light to cast on my face because I got a TV right here. So I wanted to create that effect that I've got a bright TV shining on my face because I'll be holding a TV remote. I control the brightness. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that will make it more for like a more powerful effect. So going for that. And then I've got this ring light here. I wish I had like a dome light or something more professional, but this is all I've got. Gonna make it work. Casting onto the couch is my main light, so we'll see how this goes. Cool. All right, so before I actually get started, I actually want to turn off all of the house lights that I've got running. So I've got this like fan light up here, and turn that off. And I've also got this lamp right here. It casts like a really orangey light, so I don't want that. Turn that off, and so now my lights will be a little bit more even and a little bit cooler looking as far as like temperature. So that's what I'm going for. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so the first thing I did in getting the floating shot is I had to get creative with elevating myself above the couch. And so I used a piano bench for this, knowing that I could Photoshop the bench out later. But keep in mind, I also had to grab a picture of the couch without me on it at all as my background picture, as my base picture. But here's what this picture looked like. Next, I wanted to create the effect that my snack, my pretzel snack, was floating in the air with me. So I grabbed the bag of pretzels and I actually emptied the bag out completely, making the bag as light as possible. The reason why I wanted to do that is because I could hold the bag as loosely as possible in the corner of the bag and the bag would still keep its form. So here's what that picture looked like. Next, I put the pretzels on a tray. After doing some research, I found that putting the pretzels on the tray and throwing them up this way created a more even scatter effect and a more realistic effect. So it actually worked quite well, and here's what the picture looks like. Next, I just grabbed a simple picture of me holding the laptop as loosely as possible. And lastly, I grabbed my cat because I wanted my cat to be in it, and I had to get real creative with this. This was actually really difficult, but I found that using a string had my cat waving her paws up in the air, which was perfect for it. But this was so hard to grab that you'll notice that in the picture I ended up using, I actually am wearing a different outfit because I had to take the picture on a different day to get the perfect shot. All right, guys, well, that about sums things up. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. I appreciate your support. If you want to support me some more, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, because I'll be coming at you soon with some more content. Just wait and see. But also, I'm sorry I couldn't fit the whole Photoshop editing process in this video. For being real, it would have made this video really long. But if you want to see some content based on specific editing styles or specific tools, let me know in the comment box below, because I'd love to make those videos for you, because I want to get you quality content. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Be good. Peace.